Okay, today we are going to treat solving equations with indices. And I have two questions here to solve. The first one, y raised to the power 4 all raised to the power 3x multiplied by y raised to the power 4 all raised to the power 2x equal to y raised to the power 4 all raised to the power 8. We are looking for the value of x. So the second one is y raised to the power n times y raised to the power n equal to y. We have to start now. Solution number 1, y raised to the power 4 all raised to the power 3x times y raised to the power 4 all raised to the power 2x equal to y raised to the power 4 all raised to the power 8. In order to continue, we have to multiply out the powers, and that is equal to y raised to the power 12x, because 4 times 3 is 12, times y raised to the power 8x, that is 4 times 2, and that will give us y raised to the power 4 times 8, which is 32. Following the laws of indices, when we are multiplying some terms with the same base, we have to add the powers, and that is y raised to the power 12x plus 8x equal to y raised to the power 32. Again, we simplify further by equating the powers since we have the same base, and that is equal to y raised to the power 12 plus 8 is 20x equal to y raised to the power 32. From there we have 20x is equal to 32. That is equating the powers now. And then in order to find the value of x, we have to divide through by 20. So 20x all over 20 is equal to 32 all over 20. 20 dividing 20 is 1. 20 into 20 is 1. 4 can go here. 4 here is 5. 4 here is 8. Therefore, x is equal to 8 over 5. So that becomes the answer to that. That's the solution to number 1. We are now going over to number 2 quickly. Then in number 2, we have y raised to the power n times y raised to the power n, which is equal to y. And also we know that any number, if we have any number without any power, it means that number is raised to the power 1. For instance, if we have 2, 2 is the same thing as 2 raised to the power 1. So applying that knowledge, we continue by having y raised to the power n plus n equal to y raised to the power 1. Yes, here we have to add the powers as usual. And that will give us y raised to the power 2n equal to y raised to the power 1. Equating the powers as we did before, it is 2n now is equal to 1. And from there we will be able to find the value of n. And that is, if 2n is equal to 1, divide through by 2. So 2n over 2 is equal to 1 over 2. We divide and we have n is equal to half. So that is the answer, and then the end of these questions we will see in the next lesson.